Sales boosting techniques number 10. Leverage external traffic to drive sales. Driving traffic to your Amazon listings from outside sources like social media, Google Ads, or email marketing can increase visibility and sales while also improving your organic Amazon ranking. By bringing in external traffic, you diversify your customer base and reduce dependence on Amazon's internal search algorithm. Helium 10 tool, portals. This tool helps you create customized landing pages for your Amazon products, which you can use in your external marketing campaigns. By directing external traffic to a well-designed landing page, you increase the chances of conversion and boost your overall sales performance. So, start selling on Amazon like a pro with Helium 10. Press the link below to get your Helium 10 discount. Use coupon code PRO10 for lifetime 10% off or PRO20 for 6 months 20% off. Start now and take your business to the next level.